Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to do a 2v2 friendly battle with friends in Clash Royale. It's actually very easy. You just want to launch the app and you go to the social tab. The way you do that, you come here at the top, right? The icon just above the Clash Royale banner right here. Okay, you can click here to select the friends tab under social and you'll find your friend. Okay. You tap on your friend's name and you'll get a battle option. This is just my own profile. You'll get a battle option. And then you're able to actually send a battle to them, a 1v1 or even a 2v2 battle. And alternatively, what you can do, you can go to the events tab and you can select the option to play with friends. Okay. Or you can come here. This is the events tab, by the way. You can come here in the clan and you can do friendly battles with the clanmates you have. If they're your friend in the clanmate, right? Their clanmate who's basically your friend, you can do a 2v2 battle with them. And that's really how easy it is. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.